Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with Becca. Today's recipe is for a cheery Cherry Bakewell cake. 2 layers of almond sponge sandwiched together with Morello cherry conserve and almond flakes, topped off with an almond icing. First, cream together your butter and sugar. You want to make sure that the butter becomes paler in colour and make sure there are no lumps of sugar remaining. Crack in your eggs one at a time. Make sure that you've mixed in the first egg before you add the next. If you add the eggs too quickly, this can scramble the mixture. Next, using a sieve, add your self-raising flour to your mix. Use a folding motion to combine the ingredients. Once that's done, you can add in your ground almonds and baking powder. Use the same folding motion as you did with the flour to combine this. Finally, add your almond flavouring. Line and grease 2 baking tins and divide the mixture evenly between them. They need to be baked for approximately 45 minutes at 160 degrees. When they're cooked, leave them on the side to cool, then transfer them to wire racks to cool completely. To make the almond icing, sieve your icing sugar into a bowl, then add your almond flavouring and lemon juice. Mix to combine. You need to add water 1 teaspoon at a time until it is a thick paste. Pour the icing on top of your cooled cake layer. Spread it out so that it covers the entire top of the cake and drips down the sides. While it's still tacky on top, grab your flaked almonds and scatter them across in an even layer. Leave this to one side to set and grab the other half of the cake. Cover the top of the cake in cherry conserve. Spread out the conserve so that it's as even as possible, and then top this with flaked almonds. Carefully stack the cakes by putting the iced layer on top of the layer with conserve. Now your cake is ready to be sliced and served. I hope you enjoy the sweet flavours of almond and cherry in this cake. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.